What do you absolutely need to have to achieve real success? Our management objectives clearly show the direction Atomy needs to take. Our first goal is customer success, followed by becoming a premier company and a distribution hub. When we talk about valuing the soul, we're talking about valuing the soul that only humans possess. In other words, it means valuing people. Under any circumstances, we should never use people as tools. We must treat them as our ultimate purpose. That's why I made this our company's first motto. In business administration, they typically talk about creating value by combining the 4 M's. The 4 M's are money, material, method, and man. I think this concept is wrong. Why? The whole concept of placing man at the same level as material, method, and money, and treating them as means to an end, is fundamentally flawed. Can a company truly succeed by using people as a means to create value? That would make the company more valuable than its people. We're not trying to use our business owners to make Atomy successful and profitable. Not at all. I want our business owners to succeed by utilizing Atomy. I want you to use Atomy as a tool to make your life more meaningful, prosperous, and happy. That's why Atomy's first management objective is customer success. There's a great analogy that illustrates this. It's the dairy cow philosophy versus the baby philosophy. When a farmer takes good care of their cows, it's not for the cows themselves, but to get more milk. The cow becomes the means and milk becomes the purpose. But when a mother takes care of her baby, it's not to get something from the baby itself is the purpose. Similarly, Atomy exists as a tool to support your success, whether it's through our products, IT systems, logistics systems, or seminars. So what mindset should our business owners have? You should think the same way. Don't treat your partners, who are your customers, as means to your own success. Don't view your partners as tools to make more money. Your mission is to help your partners succeed. Your main job is to inspire them with vision and support them actively so they can achieve success. To achieve real success, you must have a vision. You need to have a clear picture in your mind of how you'll succeed. Without this clear picture, you're like a ship setting sail without a destination. You'll drift wherever the waves and wind take you until you run around somewhere. Many people's lives are like shipwrecks. Why? Because they start their journey without a destination. Atomy clearly presents your destination. Let's work toward earning $100,000 a month. Let's become an imperial master. That's your destination. The key to this business is letting people around you know that you've started an Atomy business that can earn $100,000 a month. That's the most important thing. Now, repeat after me. I started a business where I can earn $100,000. I will help you earn $100,000 too. Join me. In short, it's I will make you imperial in English. Tell your partners that you'll make them an imperial master. I'll make you imperial. I will make you imperial. Then shout to your sponsor, I'll make you imperial. I will make you imperial. Let me demonstrate. Make imperial! Make imperial! Make imperial!